Chicago.
Leaving Chicago. At 6:50. Oh, okay. Yeah, say White Sox Grill. Haley. Oh, tell the Marine I said thank you. Hey, Mom.
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to handrails. The doors are now closing.
So we made it to Orlando. We're about to go get the car. Truck, rather. And then we have to wait until 2 o'clock for the Airbnb to be ready. Make sure y'all stay.
Please stand doors and hold on to the handrail. The shuttle will be departing. Baggage train is on level 2. Please stand level 1.
Tweaking. Nobody has seatbelts on. I said, we no fly yet. We no fly. I got bags in mine. Man.
Got one get one free.
Yeah, it's dope. And it's 6 of us, so it'll work out perfect. Y'all ready? Yeah, you ready? Let's get it. Ready, Mom? It's like nice and toasty out here, ain't it?
Watch this.
No, I don't want to hear it, bro.
I want to hear it, bro.
Oh! You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah. I just it's nice. Oh, yeah, you're right. You already know, you know what I'm saying? We made it. We in the whip. I'm gonna insert some clips. We got the 7-seater. That look raw.
The bases. This is real nice. I'm
We made it out to eat. We finna go to, where we finna go? think it's smaller L.
Did you get the whip?
You know what I'm saying? They saw the whip. They already told me they was feeling it. They was feeling it.
I was feeling you.
Yeah, I gotta get to the emergency just to be on the safe side because I can already feel my nose. Trying to stop up. But yeah, though, we finna eat. Then we're gonna be ready at the Airbnb at 2. We tried to get it sooner, but he said he can only do 2. It was originally 3, so he did look out, which is great. You feel me? So shout out to dude. And yeah, we're going to get some food.
Hey, go on.
Okay, first of all, the outside is popping. Okay, the outside is there. It's doing what it needs to be doing. Okay, boom. Don't follow me. So there's a little access. Let's close the door. What's up, YouTube? So y'all, we done made it back to Airbnb, and bro, like it's nice in here, bro. I'm gonna show y'all the whole thing. Just hold on. Baby, just give me 2 seconds, yeah, please. Hold on. Alright, boom, right? So walk in. Here's the kitchen. Y'all look, they got a pool back here. Ping pong, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be back here playing spades or something.
So we're gonna get my familiar so they can see it.
What
So
you-
the king room is the only one with a TV.
Wow, this is lovely. This is lovely. Wow. It's alright. Okay. Beautiful. Oh wow, big rooms.
That's where my mother gonna come.
The rooms are huge.
That's bad.
Yo, yup, that's beautiful. Got the washing machine. Hey. Yeah, y'all. So this is real nice. It's little Geicos everywhere. I want to catch one. Let's go get the people, man. The fam, man. Palm trees in the front. It's a nice neighborhood too. I would give this neighborhood a 8. Look at them. Somebody stepped on them. A whole snail, y'all. I'm finna catch one of these Geicos. So here we go. So boom. Welcome to my crib. You know what I'm saying? It's your girl. Big. You don't even need to know. We at my crib down here in Florida. And you know what I'm saying? Hair long, money long, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, check out my pool right here. Boom. $50 million right there on that pool, boy. You know what I'm saying? I have him here, you know, helping me out all the time, doing things around the house. No, boy, I'm on you now. Boom. Don't fall. Alright, potato.
Get that.
Trash space.
I mean what I mean.
Oh! Well, you gonna whoop him. Come on.
Get up. Get that.
Come on, we're going in the house for a second.
Get that net.
We're gonna get it in a minute. Alright, y'all. See y'all in a minute.
You're talking like you're not employed by the man.
Say what's up to the people, man. What we doing?
Hey, what's up with it too? Like, yeah.
Outside, we finna go outside, you know what I'm saying? And see what's to this Universal City, y'all. It is ways away, but we're gonna get there.
This lock.
We're gonna do, huh? Everybody got
She forgot the
cold, right?
I didn't forget the damn code. Had to get
I caught an iguana earlier, man. I'm mad. His tail fell off. I felt bad. Then I caught a snail and accidentally dropped him. His shell broke. I felt bad. I just think at this point I need to stop messing with these animals and just let them be. Come on, there, now, what? Hold on. 671.